everything
What
just
is good, y'all? Welcome
blank.
back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another video. Right now, we is about to head to a meet. We're going to Bimmer Plug's warehouse, I believe, or location, and yeah, he's hosting a meet. You guys obviously know who the special guests are, like Finding Nick, Fresh Kicks, Life with KG, Josh Laron. So we're gonna pull up, see what's up. We know the majority of cars are gonna be BMWs, but all makes and models are welcome. So that's why we take it to Supra. I was gonna watch the car, but I just have no time and it's gonna take so long. So I just got like a nice little wipe down. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, we're on our way now. It is like a 2 hour, like hour and a half drive. Should be dope, it should be sick. I've never been to the location out there. It's out in Irvine. Wanted to take you guys along and see what kind of content we get. I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last couple of videos. Truly means a lot. As always, thank you to the new subscribers. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and enjoying the family. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day or night, whatever time you guys are watching this video, make sure y'all hit the like button for your boy. And let's get right into this video. Finally made it to the city of Irvine, bro. Oh my god, the traffic was crazy, bro. I literally didn't film anything just because there was so much traffic. We're finally here. We're gonna go find some parking right now. I'm about to pull up. Let's see how packed it is, and then yeah, bro, my legs are tired. I need to get out and stretch, bro. Damn. We try to get parking inside the show, but it is way too packed, so we have to park on this side because yeah, a lot of people came hella early. So cars are still rolling in and trying to get parking, but they're not gonna be able to find anything. But I parked over here looking nice, you know what I'm saying? Let's cross the street, see what's up over here, and then we'll get up out of here because I do not want to stay here for too long. That's a sick ass G80 right there. It's clean. M340i. G80, we got more coming in. Damn. So I'm just starting at the end over here because this is, I guess, where the entrance was, but we got a nice Supra right here with a fat wheel. That is nice. Then we got this Camaro chopping. Sounds nice. Got an M340i on the work wheels. Jeez, this one's clean. Then we got a C63 over here, a nice X4 in this green. This is nice. But I think it's shopping. Damn. We're gonna see a lot of nice cars. Damn, this F80 is clean right here. Sheesh. The chrome wheels, that's clean. Then we got the pink GTR right here. This one's Brian Zilla's, I believe. It's very clean. This was everywhere. I feel you, G. The wheels are dirty. Same. We got a nice Supra over here. This one looks really clean. She's got the agile lip as well with the apexes. These is clean. Dang, he did what I wanted to do. He got the carbon trunk and then put a wing on it. That's sick. And he got the whole carbon diffuser. I like this. Real clean. And then we got the PQ Performance M3 G80. This one's nice. We got this E90s, E92s. And then we got Finding Nick's booth over here. Just selling merch and all that, which is dope. We keep going though. There's a lot of cars. We got these foods.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
We got Sam's M2. This one is so clean. Heard this for pulling in. We got Finding Nick's R8. Chill. This is clean. This is clean. Cars, vendors, food, all that's here. We got the homie Sal's M340i on the TEs. Jeez, triple chrome cage. This is tough. Then we got a lot more. We got cars all around, bro. And then we got Bimmer Plug's headquarters right here. Looks sick. E92, this one's dummy clean. Says bussin'. And this one right here, damn. We got Fresh Kicks M4. This brown is nice, bro. This brown on this G80. Woo! This is clean, bro. I like this brown. Whoever's G80 is, I like this color a lot. Then we got Fresh Kicks, you know. This G80 is dummy crazy. Look at the wheels on this, bro. The music is bumping though, damn. A lot of cars, bro. So many damn cars in every direction. Then I got this F82 right here. And this white with the VS's. Jeez, the red interior too. And I got this E36. You guys always see this one too. With the white TEs. A lot of Beamers, as expected. Got G80s, G82s, F80s, F82s all around, bro. Look at this pink chrome F82. Man, this thing is popping. This is sick. F80. Oof, the M5 and that silver. That is tough. We got the other G80s pulling in still. F82. I'm telling you, bro, a lot of cars are trying to pull in, but there's not really much parking. And they all either have to go across the street or try to find some parking on the other side. Yeah, I almost went through a whole circle already. I mean, it is a small lot. There is more cars on this side, so I have to go through here, but damn, the airport's like right here. More FAs. We got the M2. Oh, we got cops here. I wonder what they're saying. Then the 720. I believe this is a 720. Could be wrong. Oh my God. Yeah, this color is dummy clean with the roof scoop too. Ooh. This dude just scraped in like crazy. But this is a clean ass 370. Damn, this is nice. Very clean. Probably one of the cleanest like Nissans I've seen, bro. This shit is dummy clean. We got this white Supra that fades into black. This is clean. I fuck with this. And we got the carbon full trunk. That's dope. Damn, the SV though. Ooh. This is too clean, bro. Damn. Standing behind this. Woo. Yeah, he just got that shit too. Brand new plates. That shit is tough. Damn. You guys can see a lot more Beamers are starting to pull up, bro. It is like Beamer Fest here, bro. This is literally a Beamer invasion. Anytime Fresh Kicks or Finding Nick throws a meet, it ends up being like Beamer invasion. All BMWs. It's insane, bro. The color's nice though. It's like baby bluish. That's clean. Bro, this F80 is so damn clean. I like the wheels on this. I love the color on this. This thing is just glistening. But not only that, check out the damn license plate. Check out the license plate. Glaze M3. Bro, that is a tough ass license plate. I like that. That is sick. This Benz is clean, bro. I like this. I like this front end because it looks like very aggressive. And we're gonna see what's up. We'll see what we got over here on this side. How close we are, bro. Look at this damn thing. Oh shit. We're literally by the airport, bro. We got the Popo right here, but he's just chilling. We got this Infinity on the triple chrome Meisters. Nice, nice. Another Booper over here, black one. Man, that Audi is clean. Man, that's just clean though, not even gonna lie. Sounds nice. No fucking way a Countach is just pulling up, bro. That is crazy. Bro, what? This just came out the wild out of nowhere. Whole ass Countach, bro. What the fuck? That is insane. I'm just cruising by. You rarely see that, bro. A whole ass Countach, bro, just passing by like casually. That is random, bro, but that is sick. This is nice right here, bro. This shit look mean. A whole family car, bro, but that thing is fast. RS6. And that matte black too, it looks so good. With the white interior. Ooh, that's clean. 2025 too. Got that cream, bro. Bro, that interior is clean, bro. Shit is tough. Carbon seats too. 2025 X-Drive. Damn. With the wing. I need money for Ferrari. Me too, bud. Me too. Trade for Ferrari. That broke or what? Yeah, what? I don't know. I think something broke or ooh. I'm broke. I don't know what I was supposed to say, but that's funny. Damn, this blue R8 straight from Texas. Okay, with the V10 peaking. This color is nice, bro. The spec, that blue, black with the carbon. Nice. It look like the Supra. Me. GTR 35. A couple more cars starting to pull in. Everybody over there for that SV, because the doors is up. See what I mean, bro? SV, bro. Just pulling up in here with the doors up, just like this. This thing is clean, bro. The interior is very minimalistic, but it's an SV. I bet this shit is sick to drive. Damn, we have the new M5 right here, bro. This is my first time actually seeing it in person. The interior is crazy. This thing is clean, I'm not even gonna lie. The satin black with the red interior. I don't know if I saw it in person already. Remind me if I did, I don't know, but I feel like this is my first time actually seeing it. We got the Porsche GT3 right here. Damn. Then we got the McCleasy back here. This thing is dummy clean, bro. Oh my god. Color is glistening in here, bro, with the lights and that carbon. What the roof scoop? This yellow Huracan is clean. Damn. Bro, right now 2 kids were standing in front of it and smacking the hood. I was like, ooh, that hurt me. This sounds mean, bro, the way it's chopping. Here's a Z06, ZR1. Woo. Damn, that shit sounds nice. That shit is clean, bro. Damn. That is chopping like a monster. Ooh, this color is so clean on the F80. This is tough, bro. This spec is dummy clean. Ooh, look at the BBSs. That's just tough. That's a nice color. Oh my god. Don't tell me this is the color I wanted. This could possibly be the wrap that I wanted, bro. And they did like some little design on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right there. And I was planning on doing this color on the Supra. Well, I still am, but I think this is the color, if I'm being honest. I think this is the matte metallic brown. It's nice, but it gets dusty very fast. And then the Supra with the big old wheel. Oh my god. I think I should get a setup like that. I think it'd be sick. Have a fat, meaty setup and then like the Workmeisters in the front. Ooh, nice and clean. That's just clean, bro. Yeah, I was too slow. He recorded, he gave it a nice little rev. And so it was nice. And this one Fresh Kicks brought both his cars. He got the 340 here too. Damn. I just seen this. I didn't even know he brought both cars. What a guy. I wonder who drove this one. Damn, the paint is glistening. He just got this thing detailed. And that is glistening, sir. Very nice job. That's gonna be tough for this guy to get out because he's trying to leave, but it is blocked both ways. Turn it on. Yes, sir. Barely heard it though. Oh, they popped their hoods. They wanted to show off the titanium goodies. Damn, that's tough the way it goes like that. He's flexing, so he lets you know it ain't a wrap. And then you got the titanium as well. Tough. Front mount intakes. Oh, bro, look at this M2. That thing is clean. It's like matte satin PPF. Oh my god, you guys see why I want one? Yup, I want one so bad. Scrape was real right now on this driveway, bro. Everybody is scraping. The booper. Nice, nice. Damn, the supercharger in this bitch. Jeez. You hear it. Oh, bro, this was just rev popped and like did all that shit in front of the cop right here, bro. Oh yeah, they're dipping to the back. That is crazy, bro. Look at this M340i. This M340i is nice on the VFs. This thing is clean. We got a couple more cars on this side. Everybody's just parking over here. But I think I'm about to get up out of here. Pretty much went around this thing like 3 times, twice. So I don't want to keep being repetitive on showing the build. So I think I'm gonna get up out of here now. Bro, come on, man. This is just making it harder for me. I really want one. That thing is nice. This color is sick. This whole spec, I said, is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Bro, that's so funny. Right now, like one of you guys, the supporters, just came up to me and was like, "Don't get rid of the Supra. I watched the videos." I appreciate that, bro, but I'm like this close. Sometimes I don't want to get rid of it because of things like that, and I just want to continue the build. But then again, I'm like, the M2 would be so dope, bro. The M2 would be so dope. You guys know it would be too. Hey, what's the other homie? He's like, Mr. Inzane. That's funny. Bro, look what just pulled up. A Tesla cop next to the cop. That is so funny, bro. That is sick. Damn, look at all these vets pulling up. And there's AMG, Mercedes. Another Corvette. Oh, there he goes. He's out of here. I wanted to get a thumbnail, but he dipped. Damn. That's funny. Man, look how beautiful the sky looks right now, man. This is my drive on the way home. Got a refrigerator in front of me, man. Cotton candy skies, you feel me? If you guys all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family. It was a dope little turnout. Some nice, some little small, you feel me? Mini Bimmer invasion, for real. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.